Hello and welcome. Our journey today will be about returning to the wholeness and wellness that exists deep inside of you. In this session, you will be encouraged to access the deeper parts of your psyche where you can connect with the nurturing energy of love and compassion so that you can continue to heal and grow. Before we begin, I want to remind you that here at Amitie, you are in a place of safety and support where you can be free to let go of any worries and allow yourself to fully relax in the present moment. You can choose to sit up straight, recline, or lay down, whatever feels best for you. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And exhale slowly. Good. Allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into relaxation with each breath. Breathe in and breathe out. As you continue to breathe deeply, use your creative imagination to picture yourself in a peaceful and calming place. This could be a beach, a forest, or any other place that brings you a sense of peace and comfort. As you look around, notice the sights, sounds, and sensations of this special place. And allow yourself to become fully immersed in this pleasant experience by using the full capacity of your mind. Now, bring to mind a difficult experience or a thought that has been causing you distress. Rather than avoiding or fighting against this experience, try to approach it with self-compassion. Give yourself the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a dear friend. Let go of any judgment or self-criticism and simply offer yourself love and understanding. As you continue to practice self-compassion, you may notice a sense of calm and acceptance wash over you. This is okay. It's okay to feel your emotions and experience your thoughts. You don't have to push them away or avoid them. Now, repeat these mental reinforcements silently to yourself or out loud if you prefer. I am worthy of love and respect, and I choose to love and respect myself. I am open to receiving new experiences. I learn how to identify and express my emotions in a healthy way. I choose to focus on the present moment. I choose to let go of the past. I treat myself with grace and compassion when I make mistakes. I prioritize my self-care and make it a daily habit to nourish my mind, body, and spirit. We have now reached the end of our session. As I count from 5 to 0, you can continue to feel relaxed and rejuvenated as you return back to your waking consciousness. 5. Your body feeling calm and refreshed. 4. Your mind enjoying peace and balance. 3. Your soul feeling uplifted and content. 2. Feeling more and more invigorated, but still at ease. And 1. You are now fully awake, feeling nourished and nurtured in body, mind, and soul. Thank you for being here at Amitie. We encourage you to repeat this session as many times as you'd like, at any time of the day.